kick.
Have what, baby? Your last what? Or do they have the variety, or they only have chocolate chip? I'll just do this one, baby. And then, do you guys want a Pop-Tart? We'll do the variety pack. Sorry. Should we get some goldfishes? You hold it. Let's grab some goldfishes. Hey, Joe. Some chips. Yes, baby. So Malia wanted the flaming hot puffs, right? Huh?
I see them.
You see them? Yes, baby. I don't see any of the puffs. Do you guys just want plain Flamin' Hot Cheetos? Daddy likes those. We'll get the plain. Mercy, you know I can't hear you, right? Yes. Sorry. We got toilet paper yesterday. Don't really want to get much frozen. Let's go grab milk and then we'll go get the pop. Are you looking for firewood? $21.99, 6-count box at Kroger, the one located in Brownstown on Telegraph and West Road. There. Wow, these things used to be 89 cents. Or no, 69 cents. Now they're 99 cents. Let's do white grape, blueberry, and peach. And then let's go back around and get some soda. Have you guys ever tried these? They're very good. You know, I think I might try this, and I've never tried this tropical punch before. They're 2 for $3. So let's get tropical punch, and let's do cherry vanilla. Let's try the watermelon lemonade. All right. Sorry, you have book. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I need you to go in front of me so I can start loading. All right. Yeah. Hold on tight, baby. All right. Yes. I am. Hold on, Mercy. You're gonna come on this side, baby. Everybody and their mama are at the grocery store today. It is fully packed. Put this heavy stuff on the bottom. I'm coming, Joe. All right. Thank you, Jesus. What's the matter, Joe? Mercy, give me your hands. Bring them closer. Rub them together. We are home. Joe Boy passed out on the way home, so I'm gonna leave him while I first give me some water because I am extra thirsty. I haven't had any water today. Let me get some water, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the groceries away. I have to do laundry today, you guys. We have a snowstorm coming, and I have to do laundry because just in case if there's any power outages again, I want to at least make sure there's plenty of clean clothes and towels and washcloths and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these groceries put away, and I'll be back with you guys. We are expecting another snowstorm. And at first it was hailing, and now the snow has arrived. So just in case of another power outage, your girl is getting prepared, making sure the house is clean. I always make sure I vacuum the floors, and I am working on laundry. I got the washer and the dryer going, and I am in here cooking dinner. The kids are gonna have leftovers. They didn't have the meatballs that I cooked yesterday, so they'll have that today with some corn and this macaroni and cheese. Got the water getting ready to boil soon, and I am cooking some beef. So I'm just trying to get everything done now, just to be prepared, just in case if the power goes out. We did go to the grocery store earlier. You guys will see that if you haven't already in this vlog. Joe Boy just finished eating some food. I'm gonna set out his snacks just in case if Mercy has to give him some snacks if he's getting fussy. His puffs. Come on, clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting this seasoned so I can get it on the boil, and I'll be back. You want a snack? Mercy, will you give him a snack for me, babe? You want a snack?
I was so happy I found this.
Here.
I do have the prescription.
All right, guys, I'll be right back.
Thank you for choosing to.
Happy Saturday, wonderful people. Daddy's in the kitchen making brunch, breakfast for him and I. We have some fried egg with tomatoes, onions, and habanero pepper. And we're gonna have that with some yam.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. And Malia in keyboard practice. The other kids are in the room playing. Also gonna have some beef in it. Daddy's gonna shred that up and put it in with the egg. I just wanted to come to you guys and say good morning. I'm gonna join this video in with Friday's video. So comment down below what you guys are having for breakfast on this glorious Saturday. Power. We didn't get too much snow, but it definitely came down. But I hope everyone out there is doing okay. I hope you guys are being blessed.
Okay.
I'm going to get in here and see if Daddy needs my help, but probably not. And I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, I relaxed a little bit after breakfast, so I am going to go ahead and clean up my mess.
3.12. 3.142. 3.142. I got it.
The kids have started their webinar classes.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, 22/7 or 3.142.
I will be sure to put the link down in the below. You can check it out on AY Synapses. I'll put his link down in the description if you guys want your kids to take a look at it. It's a webinar for coding.
It's really fun, guys. You really should try it. And subscribe to his channel.
I'll put the link down in the description.
Okay, we're finally getting accepted my request.
Alright, you guys, let me clean up these few dishes and get these put away.
Alright guys, we're gonna close the vlog out here. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching.